Well, hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. The first thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market. This is the mini S&P 500 futures contract. Actually, this is not. This is the mini Russell, and we're going to go ahead and switch over. This is our actually, this is our TFG right here. As you can see, in a beautiful short position just after booking three impressive gains on this TFG. We actually went short this morning, rode an adverse move, and the market certainly has come back into our favor on this system. In fact, if we look at the TFG, we can also look at the GTFO 30. Actually, that doesn't have any positions. GTFO also doesn't have any positions. EMG certainly has a short position as well after booking two nice gains. We had on the TFG three beautiful gains recently, and the MG actually in another short position, or in a short position here today, actually now profitable. Kind of went against us the day prior. ESG 15 in a short position as well. ESG 10 in a short position as well. Day trader 26 completely non-correlated, also in a short position as well after booking two profits on the long side recently. So pretty impressive trading from this new batch of trading models that we've gotten. And of course, we're going to talk about in a second our an opportunity to trade the ES Day Trader 1.0 MSA. Now what this is the ESDT 1.0 MSA is essentially you're able to compound through optimal position sizing your returns. Now you can actually start, the portfolio itself I believe is $900 a month. We do have a special right now, but you can actually start with up to 10 contracts trading the ES Day Trader 1.0 ESDT 1.0 MSA, or you can just start with 1, 2, 3, 4, any combination there above, or any amount there above, to trade this portfolio up to 10 contracts. And as you can see, since introducing the MSA version, the portfolio has done quite well with three beautiful trades. A really nice long right here, a beautiful short setup right there, and a beautiful long on actually yesterday. Today's Tuesday, the 23rd of March. This was the 22nd on Monday. Beautiful trades on Friday, just really essentially catching the whole of the moves, buying this gap down, completely filling that, and holding all the way to the end of the session. This, of course, the ES Day Trader 1.0, the venerable ES Day Trader 1.0, has been around for quite some time. But that's a look at a couple of our systems. We'll look at that in a second. So right now we're going to go ahead and there we go. We're looking at a chart of the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract. As you can see, kind of a choppy day today, but we are predominantly on the short side, particularly from those aforementioned day traders. Yeah, net short today, so definitely expecting some moves to the downside. If we look at our intraday dynamics, we can see that the certainly have diverged. We have full all-out bearishness here, definite negative divergence here, particularly when you're retesting the highs of the prior day and really trying to fake them out, and retesting this monstrous resistance right here around 1165 in the S&P. Definitely a triple top forming right there. That's why you get the big sell-off. Bearish already, negative divergence, bearish, below the trend. So certainly the bears are in control, albeit from a price technical perspective, a little bit choppy today, but definitely for a I'm going to bring this back up right there. For a free trade, if you're tuning in just to get maybe want to take a trade or two, short from 1161.25. That's where the market is right now. Of course, you won't get this video for probably another 15 to 30 minutes, but nevertheless, if the market's there or above, you can certainly position yourself short, and there's a free trade for you on this morning of Tuesday, the 23rd of March, short at 1165.125. Go ahead and target probably 7 points on that for a move down to around, actually about 6 points for a move down to around 1155, 1156 would be a nice target zone. But if we break this double bottom right here, should be a pretty quick sell-off to retest these lows around 1152. So you might want to scale out. Nevertheless, having said that, so that's the way the intraday has stacked up, or is stacking up right now. On the daily, we're still beautifully long. From an official market timing perspective, we are on the long side, and have been since 1121, so a nice gain of 45 or so points in the S&P. Beautiful $2,000, actually 2250 trading just one contract of the E-mini S&P. So there's a nice trade right there for you over the last 12 days, kind of an intermediate term play. $2,200.50 in your pocket there. Right now, we remain fully bullish. We are above this high, which is impressive. Came down to retest the short-term measure of trend following support resistance. Now on support duty, 1156, and just kind of chopping around, waiting for the next move. But definitely remain all-out bullish on the market. And we're going to look at. We'd mentioned the those models right there, the newer models that have been developed over the last 6 months or so, continue to outperform, continue to perform well, I should say. Here's our Swing System 5.0, which we've mentioned quite a bit. Just really a beautiful system, as you can see over the last 1 year or so. Just really a beautiful equity curve, factoring in, of course, commission and slippage up $17,025 on a max drawdown of just $3,800. And if you're interested in these portfolios, you can actually take a look through this little setup right here. For instance, we'll go ahead and generate a report on just the GTFO. The GTFO, one of our newer trading models. Kind of running out of time, and this won't generate the report fast enough. Bogging down just a little bit, using quite a bit of our processing power, given this. So there you have right there, over 2 years, $39,000 in profit. This is factoring in, of course, commission as well as slippage. 1 tick per trade, 2 ticks per round turn, assuming pretty much the worst case scenario slippage. And commission with a maximum drawdown of just 39.7% on a $10,000 account. That's trading that. So $40,000 in profit after slippage and commissions on a $10,000 account. Pretty impressive. If we switch this to $15,000 and we bring in, let's say, the GTFO, TFG, maybe those things, we'll see what they look like. GTFO, TFG, and it's going to take a second to generate this report as well. But just to go ahead and talk about our special, you can actually, the aforementioned ES Day Trader 1.0 MSA, you can save 20% on pretty much all of our portfolios right now if you enter promo code VIDEO. So there you go right there, 68% drawdown, maximum drawdown, assuming $22,000 in slippage. So we've deducted almost $30,000 for slippage and commission off of this number right here, and you have $95,000 in profit over the last 5 years and a maximum drawdown of just 68.53%. So that's pretty impressive. What's more impressive is, as you can see, we pick some of these models because they continue to outperform and are all at equity highs. As you can see, these green bars, new high, new high, new high, new high, new high. So if you're interested in any of these new models, certainly you can write to us at admin@MiniAnalyst.com or go to the website and chat with the support team live. And if you're interested in these models that are mentioned in the video, we can certainly customize a portfolio of any of these trading models, any of these five. These five are really outperforming right now. But as you can see, oddly missing is the ES Day Trader 1.0, but that's just simply not part of those. But that's part of the ES Day Trader MSA aforementioned. As you can see, these beautiful trades we just looked at. $2,500 right there if you trade the maximum 10 lots, $3,100 right there, $5,000 just yesterday trading a 10 lot for a $10,000 gain. Now the margin is $5,000 on this, so that's a 200% return just on margin. $5,000 traded 10 lot. $10,000 account with $5,000 wiggle room, you're making 100% in just the last 3 days. So if you are interested in that portfolio, also the Triple Threat Trader HR seems to really be outperforming. Wanted to mention that. All of our other primary futures portfolios right here, our traditional portfolios, 45% really handily outperforming all other trading models. As you can see, it made on a $10,000 account $1,400 yesterday, $1,100 on Friday, thanks in large part to the ES Day Trader 1.0. Nevertheless, in the Day Trader 5.0, which we can actually go ahead and switch over and look at that as well, as you can see, beautiful trades in the completely non-correlated Day Trader 5.0. We have run out of time, unfortunately. Go to the website, chat with the support team, or check out these MSA portfolios right there in a promo code video. Save an extra 20%, and we'll see you next time.